Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying what students must be able to do. This guides every question you write. Once done, pick a format that matches the skill, multiple choice for recall, short answer for reasoning. Make quick platform choices. Time limit, attempts, and percentage weight. These shape motivation and fairness. Also prepare a short rubric or model answer to speed grading. Make sure to align at least one question directly to each learning objective, so assessment tells you something useful. Now build the core. Write clear stems that test a single concept and avoid traps like double-barreled phrasing. Mix difficulty. Most items check recall, include one or two higher-order problems for transfer. Once you have items, organize them into pools and enable randomization to reduce cheating. Make instructions explicit, what to show, time, and acceptable resources, so students aren't penalized for ambiguity. Finally, pilot a short set with a colleague or small group to catch wording issues before full deployment. Finish by setting grading rules and crafting feedback that helps learning. Automated scoring for objective items saves time, but annotate short answers to show thinking. Once graded, return results with model answers or targeted hints so students learn from errors. Make sure to analyze item stats, too easy, too hard, or ambiguous. If things go wrong, students report issues. First check platform settings, browser compatibility, and timers. Then open a brief resubmission window and communicate fixes so everyone stays on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.